Yes, I'm Jim. Yes, Jim.
Indeed.
You know Jim as Jesus, but I know Jim as Jim Bob.
And no one else knows me as Jesus.
What are you talking about? Everyone knows you as Jesus. No, Jim
not
Bob
really.
Anyway,
Now they do.
This is just about to go back to the blasters. So we've done all of the metalwork, panelwork, fabrication, repairs. There's a couple bit more to do, but we'll do that when it comes back after Kyle, who's standing up there naked. If I can we're going to do Naked Fridays actually from now on. But anyway, we do, come back and we'll finish it off. But Jim Bob is going to go around the car with you, show you most of the repairs, and then Gino's here ready to take it away. It's going to take away, come back, do the epoxy on it, and then it's time for bodywork prep. So I'm going to leave you with Jim Bob, Jesus, Naked Man. However,
not naked today.
There is an Oompa Loompa around there as well, so watch out for it. Anyway, I'll leave you to Jim. Cheers. Thanks, mate.
Beautiful. Right, we're back with the Porsche. We've made panels in here just to tidy up the edge for where the bumpers go. We had a recess in here, recess panel. So now we've got this flush on all four corners, which you'll see when we go around the car. And we have deleted the side repeaters that we were talking about previously. Both sides, planish. What have we got under here? So all this channeling's been replaced with two parts of angle, shrunk and stretched. So we've got angles going this way and we've got angles going this way. It's quite an interesting fix. It's all spotted in. I think you got some footage of that. This one, I've done a bit of work with a shrinking disc, just to get this a bit straighter than it was. Nice, no high spots, so we've got, just get a skim of filler there, hopefully be good. Obviously we deleted that as well. That's the other four corners. That was the aerial. You remember? That's been flushed off as well. This side, we did this jacking point. Quite extensive area at that jacking point. Which is all good now. This is that 2mm steel, which is a bit thicker than standard, just for extra strength. Bent that in the brake. Yeah, made a little flange. Yeah, we've got a new tubing there as well. This corner's been redone, this has been redone. This, huge area. Yeah, very interesting sections and very awkward shapes to be making up here. Quite a twist in this, which is, yeah, it took a while, that one. This is tricky because you can't get a dolly behind it. So I used the stud gun to pull some of this back out. But we're pretty happy there. Yeah, so this panel here cut out, and I've got a die very close to the depth of this for the bead roller, step die. Yeah, we've got some pictures of that, but it's, you know, just rolling through the machine a couple of times. Perfect measurements for the spacing, and then tip to flange also on the bead roller for this curved edge, and then that's all just welded flush as the rest has been, and spot welded into there. I think I will roll her over a little bit. This ended up having to be replaced, so we got tried to pull this out with a stud puller. So badly dented, it was beyond repair really, and I wanted to get this nice shape back in, so just made a new panel in here. Got that as good as that can be, I think. They must have had something pretty bashed up in the bottom there. I don't know what happened. Yeah, so the fabrication's all done. We're about to send it off with Gino for its quick final blasting, and he'll be back and put into epoxy primer, which will be Kyle's job. You'll see next.
pants down, turn around.